This 2024 Keystone Bullet 2,220 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 27 feet 4 inches in length and features a Ashland interior, sleeps 2, slide-out, oven, skylight, external shower, air conditioning, self-contained, smoke detector, TV antenna, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Bullet 2,220 megaliters is 5,300 pounds. This 2024 Keystone Bullet 2,220 megaliters. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.